This is one of several math reviews. This one deals with addition and subtraction of fractions. If I were to take two fractions, such as 5/8, and I want to add to it 1/4, in order to accomplish for addition or subtraction of the fractions, you need to have a common denominator. The denominator is the number at the bottom of each fraction. What I suggest is that you rewrite the fractions vertically. So we have 5/8 plus 1/4. In order to get a common denominator, what we are looking for is a number that both 8 and 4 can go into. What I suggest doing is looking at your biggest number. In this particular case, it's 8. Now what you do is ask yourself, does the other numbers go into 8? Or the denominators go into 8? So 8 goes into 8, does 4 go into 8? And if the answer is yes, then that is your denominator. So we put 8s here, and we will be renaming our fractions both with 8 as the denominator. Our first number was already 5/8, so that can stay as it is. Our second number is a little bit different. We need to change from a 4 to an 8. What we do is ask ourselves again, how many times does 4 go into 8? The answer is 2. So we take that 2 and we multiply it by this number, and 2 times 1 gives me 2/8. So 2/8 is the equivalent of 1/4. Now that both numbers are the same, I can add them together. I could say 5 plus 2 is 7, and we keep the denominator the same. So my correct answer here would be 7/8. To continue with the subtraction, if I were to take 5/8 in this case minus 1/4, I need to do the same thing. As we just showed, I will write the problem vertically, and in this case I will be subtracting the 1/4. So we need to do the same functions, and finding the denominator would be the same, but as we have already showed, 5/8 would stay as 5/8, 1/4 changes to 2/8. Again, because we have an 8, 4 times 2 gives me 8, and this is what I call the backwards z. 4 times 2 is 8, so then 2 times 1 gives me 2. Now that I have these two numbers, I will be subtracting the numerators. 5 minus 2 gives me 3, and again, just as in addition, we keep the denominator the same, and my answer would be 3/8. Thank you.